Go away.
How can Happy get in that box?
Want some water? Oh, you're just falling over. You're just falling over. There you go. Some seeds.
Come on, Birdie, eat.
Some seeds.
Oh, no. Ew.
Why are you doing this? It's fun.
Oh, you want to go in the corner? Oh, yeah. Oh, I think I need to barbecue you. Huh? Okay, let's look if it is she over here.
How?
Well, open stuff.
No.
Oh yeah, she gonna eat.
Want some water?
Ow.
Want some water?
Oh yeah, she's eating.
No, she's not eating anything.
Sure, maybe we need to leave and she's shy. She's shy, I think. Oh, you know what? The wings. Something happened with the wings, right?
Definitely.
Oh,
Daddy just thinks
some
the
water?
bird's
water,
sick.
baby. Well, we find her in the pool, so I think she have a lot of water. Drink.
But it was just literally just floating like this. Not,
can I see
it wasn't even in the water. It just floated.
How?
Just floating like this.
Oh,
There you
Someone
oh,
go
there's
go. Water is
Someone
now.
go
there's one.
There's a poo-poo.
Alright. Well,
Oh,
let her do her thing. She knows where the water is.
She knows where the food is, but it's scattered. This.
I think let me see.
The broken
I'm gonna
one.
be a vet. I
What?
see. For now, I think she have a couple hours to live because she cannot even stand.
Ah!
Only the head moves. So whatever we're gonna do, I don't think it will be. Look,
Well, first it doesn't seem like
it's a baby.
Huh?
It's a baby. Oh,
Think so?
yeah.
Really?
What makes you think it's a baby?
Yeah.
Because the feather is small and a couple long ones. That's why I think.
That ant is just there hanging around with it.
But the eyes are open. See the eyes.
How?
Ow! I gotta stand up. Ooh.
Yeah, you're breaking the box.
Okay. Have a good life, birdie. Good luck, okay? You will be alive. You have food and water here.
Just eat the food, okay, birdie?
Why are you shaking your head?